We're going to repair our water line for the ice maker. And if you buy parts that are incorrect, because it wasn't a 1/2 inch opening. Let's show you how to repair this bad boy in these very simple steps. So, you got this plumber. He came in for $70 some odd just to give you a consultant fee to change this for $100+. So it cost you $200 and a tip. I'm unsure of the size I had, so I took a picture, went to Home Depot, and I grabbed the part. I know how to do things. So, first thing we need to do is shut the water off, find where my water source is at, and then get the appropriate tools, the right wrenches and everything. So this is probably going to be the most important part, which I think I got the wrong one, and we'll see in a few seconds. My hardest part is doing this single-handedly because I'm leaning down. So I'm going to take this off. I'm going to take this piece and see if it goes on there, which is the wrong size. That means I got to go back and get the right one. So what can I do to fix this issue? Might as well just take it all off. I'll return this at a later time. So, grab it the right size. I don't want to break anything. You can see how nice and tight it is. So I am going to lean into this. And just take this off. One more twist, and then I can do it by hand. Get something out underneath there pretty fast because I'm not sure how much water is going to keep dripping. By looking at these two pieces, what I can do is take this off, take that off, and swap them out. Oh, when I went in there, I knew that was what I was looking for. So, I'm going to grab a wrench, another one, spin this bad boy off, then waste my time going to a store. I may need to get a Phillips screwdriver. Now, why am I doing this, you're saying? Well, for the reason of the other one leaks. This is Teflon tape. Teflon tape is always used when there's water. So what I am doing is I'm making a nice seal. It's like a washer. I know this is the old and this is the old. Get rid of it. For the time it's going to take me to head to that store, I corrected my problem. Let's go put this bad boy on. Teflon tape. Always about 3 good wraps you should get on there. Well, I didn't get 3 good wraps, but at least I got Teflon tape on there. I need to spin this on. And lock it down. As I get to where I need it to be at, one more turn, and I'll be right where I need to be at. Right there. Don't have to make it that tight anymore. I should get some Teflon tape on that particular little piece. What is this? This goes to the ice maker. One more turn. That's it. There are torque specs. This is off. This is on. Let's keep in the off position. Going to go turn the water on. The water is on. We want to make sure the water's on. We're going to listen to it. Should have seen some of the rust come out of the faucet above. So let's turn our valve on. Now I can go and have fun with my ice maker. I want to take this hose and I want to put it back here. I want to now clean up my mess. But before I do all that, let me see if I can get water. You don't want to drink this water until you get a gallon out. The proper thing to do was to go back and get the right part. Well, I've pretty much figured out I can get things to work if I get everything done correctly. And I did it with the wrong part. To me, I could tap myself on the back of my shoulder and say, hey, fish, congratulations. Not many people would have thought of that. That these parts are interchangeable and cost about the same amount of money. It took me 5 minutes to do the work. It may take me a half an hour to edit this video to show you how simple these repairs are. Have a great day. Don't throw these parts out. This is worth about $3. You may be able to use this and fix this up. You may never know when you can use these parts over again. Have a great time fixing your ice maker line if it ever leaks down below.